On May 13, 2024, Indeed CEO Chris Hyams announced a significant shift in the company's strategy. The job search giant would be laying off 1,000 employees. This move impacted 8% of Indeed's global workforce. Hyams, in a company-wide email, emphasized the challenging economic climate. He acknowledged the impact of these decisions on the affected employees. This announcement came as a surprise to many. Indeed, a leading platform for job seekers and employers, seemed to be weathering the economic storms relatively well. The company had, however, undergone a previous round of layoffs in 2023. These earlier layoffs, attributed to a decline in job postings, were positioned as cost-cutting measures. The 2024 layoffs, however, were framed differently. Hyams stressed that these were not about cutting costs. Instead, the focus was on streamlining the organization. The goal was to empower teams to make decisions faster and drive revenue growth. This strategic shift, Hyams argued, was essential for Indeed to thrive in the evolving job market. Indeed's decision to lay off 1,000 employees, while difficult, was part of a larger strategy. The company aimed to streamline its operations. This involved reorganizing teams and processes. The goal was to improve efficiency and agility. The layoffs primarily impacted employees in the United States. The departments most affected were research and development and go-to-market. These departments played crucial roles in Indeed's innovation and growth. However, the restructuring aimed to optimize these functions. By streamlining these areas, Indeed could potentially bring new products and services to market faster. This strategic shift was in stark contrast to the layoffs Indeed conducted in 2023. Those layoffs, totaling 2,200 employees, were a direct response to a decline in job postings and revenue. The 2024 layoffs, however, were proactive. They were intended to position the company for future growth and innovation. Hyams emphasized that Indeed remained committed to its mission of helping people get jobs. The restructuring, he argued, would ultimately allow Indeed to better serve both job seekers and employers. By becoming more agile and responsive, Indeed could adapt to the changing dynamics of the job market. Indeed's layoffs were not an isolated event. The tech industry, in 2024 and 2025, experienced a wave of similar workforce reductions. Factors like economic uncertainty, inflation, and a slowdown in hiring contributed to this trend. Major tech companies, once known for their rapid growth and seemingly limitless hiring, were forced to reassess their strategies. Layoffs were announced across the sector, impacting tens of thousands of employees. Indeed's decision to streamline its operations, while painful, reflected a broader trend within the tech industry. Despite the challenging economic climate and industry trends, Indeed remained committed to its Stamford, Connecticut office. This office, a hub for sales and operations, was deemed essential to the company's long-term plans. Indeed's decision to maintain its presence in Stamford underscored the importance of this location to its overall strategy. In addition to restructuring its workforce, Indeed planned to invest heavily in artificial intelligence, AI. The company recognized the transformative potential of AI in the job search and hiring process. Indeed envisioned using AI to enhance its platform in several ways. AI-powered tools could help job seekers create more effective resumes and cover letters. These tools could also match candidates with more relevant job openings. For employers, AI could streamline the screening and interviewing process, making it easier to find the right talent. Indeed's commitment to AI was not just about improving its existing platform. The company saw AI as key to its future growth and innovation. By leveraging the power of AI, Indeed aimed to create a more efficient, effective, and equitable job market for everyone. The layoffs, while difficult, were part of Indeed's broader strategy to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing world. By streamlining its operations, investing in AI, and remaining committed to its core mission, Indeed aimed to solidify its position as a leader in the evolving landscape of work.